Edward, anak, hindi ko alam kung ilang beses mo na pinaggagawa ito. Pero ito ang pinakamatamis na halik na maigagawad mo kay Criselda. Kasi mag-asawa na kayo.
I take the fall. I got you covered when there's no one at all. Oh yeah, and I stay through the night when you got demons trying to break through the walls. There ain't no kind of line that I wouldn't cross if you need me to. You're out here searching for signs, so I think it's finally time that you knew. Nobody got you the way I
Wacky faces, yan. Pakita mo kasi.
Nobody got you the way I do, the way I do. Nobody got you the way I do, the way I do. When you go dark and the nights get so cold, I'll be on my way to you. You know I ain't trying to lose you, oh no. If you're in hell, I go there too. There ain't no kind of line that I wouldn't cross if you need me to. You're out here searching for signs, so I think it's finally time that you knew. Nobody got you the way I do.
I vow to always stand by your side
Nobody
and be your constant supporter.
got
Whether
you
you're
the way
pursuing your dreams or simply planning our next trip because flight tickets are on sale. I will cherish and choose you every day, even on the days that we don't quite understand each other. I will continuously love our little family.
Feeling ko talagang swerte ko sa kanya. Uy! Ano ba yan? Hindi, kasi ano siya sobrang maalaga. Yun yung talagang parang dati, parang akala ko, dapat ako lang yung nag-aalaga. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, ayun, deserve ko din palang maalagaan.
Napakaswerte namin si Emma, sa inyo ni Papa. Papasalamat ako sa Panginoon na kayo ang aming naging ina.
Yan, thank you. Kasi sobrang unconditional niyo magmahal ni Papa. Walang kapalit. Yun, sobrang grateful ako kayo yung naging parent ko ni Papa. Ay, ang cute Session na po, hindi ko na kayo napansin kanina. Mamadali po, magandang video ko.
As we embark on this new chapter of our lives, a big present comes early, but challenges will also arise. Worry not, for God is with us, you are with me, and I'm always with you. There's no problem that we can overcome. I love you.
And us getting married now, umaabaw lalo yung favor ni Lord sa atin. The praises and glory to God. I really can't help but feel more blessed. And now we are entering another chapter of our lives. Parang kailan lang nagsusurvey at nagkakondak ako ng research tungkol sa'yo. Ngayon magiging asawa na kita.
Napaka-thankful ko kay God na binigyan niya sa akin si Iya. Napakabilis ng transition mula sa magkaibigan, naging magkasintahan, tapos ngayon, kakasal na.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time?
Answered prayer talaga. More than actually sa pinag-pray ko. So, sobrang, di ko alam, may favoritism talaga si Lord. Parang hindi ko naman deserve yung lahat ng nare-receive ko ngayon. Tapos bonus talaga si Edward. Parang di na ako naghangad actually ng partner na sobra. Pero binigyan niya ako ng sobra-sobra pa. Alam mo yun? Gusto ko lang ng kapartner pero binigyan niya ako ng katuwang talaga sa buhay.
Some hidden love, hidden love, hidden love, just for us. 'Cause you got that free love. You want to heal the world. So now I am saying mine for us.
Sobrang joy yung na-feel ko. Hindi siya happiness eh. Joy talaga. It's a feeling na ang fulfillment hindi dahil masaya kami at the moment, but a fulfillment na dahil blessing siya from God.
Cause there is some hidden love, hidden love, hidden love for us. 'Cause you got that free love. So now I am saving mine for us.
You may now kiss Mrs. Maria Criselda